Hello everyone. I just built a tool-powered AI agent with memory and real-time search. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete AI agent workflow that combines conversational AI, persistent memory, and real-time tools like web search, and I just add calculator for fun. This workflow is designed to respond intelligently to user chat messages by orchestrating a large language model, memory storage, and external tools, all managed by a central AI agent. The process begins when a chat message is received. This trigger activates the workflow and passes the user's message directly into the AI agent. At the center of the system is the AI agent. This component acts as the decision maker. It analyzes the user's message, understands its intent, and determines which resources, memory, search, or calculation are required to generate the best response. The AI agent relies on an OpenAI chat model for reasoning and language generation. The model processes both the user's message and any relevant context to craft a natural, accurate response. To enable contextual conversations, the agent connects to simple memory. This allows it to recall previous messages, maintain continuity, and store new information as the conversation evolves. When real-world or up-to-date information is required, the AI agent dynamically calls the Serp API. This enables live web searches and ensures responses remain accurate and current. I used Serp API through a HTTP request here. Now comes why I add this calculator tool. It's just for fun, but for numerical reasoning or calculations, the agent can also invoke a built-in calculator tool, ensuring precise and reliable mathematical outputs. All actions are logged, include memory access and tool uses. Once processing is complete, the AI agent delivers a single polished response back to the user. This workflow demonstrates how modern AI agents can intelligently combine language models, memory, and tools to deliver powerful, context-aware conversational experience. Let's give a trial. At first, open chat. Let me ask a question to this agent. What USA does with Venezuela? Let's wait for a bit. Let's check what this agent responses. Oh, amazing. You can say it is saying that the relationship between the United States and Venezuela is complex and has evolved over time. Generally, the US has taken a critical stance toward the Venezuelan government, particularly under the leadership of Nicolas Maduro. It's showing us real-time data. Right. And at last it say that if you want, I can provide the latest specific developments or news related to the US-Venezuela relations. I can proceed further, but today that's for now. See you in the next video. Stay connected.